Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be preparing special yummy and tasty mutton chops. And now let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients are half kg mutton chops, and you will add half a glass water, one tablespoon garlic ginger paste, one teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt, and you will mix them well. And you will cover the kadahi with a lid for 20 minutes. After the chops have been cooked, they should look like this. And you will add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and you will add 1 tablespoon chaat masala. You will mix the chaat masala into 100 gram yogurt, and then you will add the yogurt to the chops. You will now mix the yogurt and the chops, and you will cook the chops until the water has been dried. And now the chops are done. You will remove the lid, and as you can see, the water has almost dried. Now it's time to grill the chops. You will take a grill pan. If you don't have a grill pan, you can use a normal fry pan, and you will just cover it with some oil. And now you will put the chops onto the grill pan, and you will cook the chops until you can see the brown marks on them, the grilling marks. And you will apply some oil onto the chops as well. Now as you can see, the charms are done. Now you can put them onto a serving dish and serve them. I hope all of you will like the recipe once you cook it at your home. Please don't forget to give this video a like and share this video and the channel. Please subscribe the channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.